Welcome to our guide on how to change the watch strap on an Omega Seamaster.
For this, you'll need a spring bar tool, such as the Burgeon 6767. These are available at Wristbuddys.com. The principle is the same as for most other watches, and you can find even more tutorials on our channel. First of all, we recommend using a soft surface to avoid unnecessary scratches. Then I use the tool to gently remove the existing bracelet. I usually hold the watch in my hand and put my index finger under the end link of the watch to get better control and easier removal of the strap. Take the small end of the tool and pull one side at a time of the spring bar closer to the center, and then the bracelet will come off. Repeat the process on the other side of the watch. And here, remember to take it slow and steady to avoid scratching the beautiful watch. Once the original bracelet is off, select the new strap and use the original spring bars that came with the watch. Then place the strap against the watch and gently put it on. Repeat the process on the other side of the watch. When you hear that little click, it means that the spring bar has jumped into their holes, and it means that the strap is correctly attached. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the strap on your watch.
Thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions about our products, feel free to reach out to us on Instagram or email. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more tutorials from us in the future.